Hello, beautiful patrons. Welcome to this week's episode of Sewing with Florence Delay Tutorials.
No one knows better than Florence. Bump.
Well, it's another week in confinement. I hope everyone's doing okay. I am an introverted extrovert, but I'm lucky enough to have my boyfriend living with me and our best friend Ty, who is also living with us right now. So we have plenty of company. Please pay no attention to the 500 yards of gathered tulle behind me, but I'm working on a very fun project. I hope you all are keeping safe and sane. I hope you're FaceTiming your loved ones. I know how hard it can be to be cooped up in your house all alone. So please make sure you're reaching out to people. Please make sure you're talking to people, or just keep sewing. You know, sewing is a good way to keep you busy. If you live in New York or a few other kind of cool, hip, liberal states, recently made shopping bags, disposable plastic bags, illegal. I mean, you're not gonna get arrested if you're holding one, but they've been banned. So now would be a good time to have reusable shopping bags. But I feel like the ones you generally get from a grocery store that you pay money for are pretty crappy. So this week we'll be making reusable shopping bags. And luckily I have this tasteful Lady of Guadalupe fabric laying around that I will be using. I'm excited to see how they turn out. When you guys do projects, feel free to send me videos, pictures, tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook. I will share them. I love sharing what my students have been working on. I feel like a proud mother hen. So share away. What you're gonna need this week is fabric, preferably a cotton. A cotton polyester blend is fine, but you want something that has good body, like a cotton, nothing sequiny, no lame. Imagine you're making a tote bag. That's what it should be like. Now I am using a face fabric, which is the fabric on my bag, and I'm also using a different fabric for my lining. If you only have one fabric, it's just fine if your lining matches your face, but you're gonna need a yard of each. So if you're using the same fabric, you're gonna need 2 yards. And if you're using 2 different fabrics for the lining and the face, you're gonna need 1 yard of each. You're also gonna need a cardboard box. Nothing too crazy. I used a 12 by 12 cardboard box, but in fairly decent condition. You're gonna need a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and your normal sewing stuff. So let's get started, shall we?